Alright guys, so this is going to be a video reviewing the clone for the Surefire XC2. These are ranging anywhere out there on Amazon from $3.99, MSRP on their website for $4.22. But let's go ahead and dive into it and get it out of the box. So inside the case is all these items that I always get, whether it be an EOTech, a Trijicon, Surefire, Sig sights, all these, they all come in these plastic cases. They're all the same. But this one looks like it comes with a Allen key and then the key for the front to tighten the battery cover. And then your Allen key will adjust your height, your elevation. So you've got one there, one there. So a little trick on this, which I've already put a AAA battery into it, a little trick that I didn't know, I thought it was defective. So you can hit it momentary on either side, it's ambidextrous. You can hit the button on the side for it to be full-time on. But to get the laser to come on, you have to push and hold. And then let me move it out of the way, you can see the laser. And then now the light is off and the laser is on. And turn it off, do the exact same thing in reverse, and then now the laser's off. So that works both ways. Doesn't matter how you do it. But again, that is just where the AAA battery goes. And we're going to be putting it on a Sig P320 XCARRY. So give me a second and I'll get it installed. And on a lot of these kits with the Allen keys that come with them, the wrenches absolutely suck. They get rounded off and then you'll end up ruining the screws on them. This is a little kit that I found on Amazon I've had for a couple years now. It's Jackamie. I just looked it up to see what the current price is, but they're like $9 right now. And it has all kinds of bits in it. But if you're needing a precision screwdriver set, this is definitely the way to go. Alright, so for all the gun Nazis out there, safety check, no mag. So again, hit the button on the side if you want it just solid on. If you're just doing room checks and you just need to do a random one spot. But if you want the laser on, hold and release. Hold and release. But that's the fitment on the Sig P320. I've got a few Surefire X300s that I've put on my Micro-Roni. No, not a macaroni, but Micro-Roni from CAA. I had it on my Glock and then also on my KSG 12 gauge. But that shows the fitment on this. I wanted to do some kind of tack light on here, but the X300 on this one came out way too far. And that just doesn't make sense. So I'll do a test at this, with this at night, and then we'll take a look at it and see what it looks like. All right, this is to show the light in the dark. You can see the laser beam. Shut the light off, let the laser beam go. Let's turn the light on, constant on the side. So you can kind of see the trees. Those are probably about, I don't know, football field away compared to the fence and everything that's right here. Barn. Pretty good light. I think it'll do for the size of the compactness compared to the X300. Thanks for watching, guys.